Verse 7 of Colossians 4. Tychicus, a beloved brother, faithful minister, and fellow servant of the Lord, will tell you the news about me. He's one.
Tychicus is in Ephesus. Only Luke is still there with him. Paul is dealing with
you about the whole situation. So Paul sends Tychicus. Along with him is this runaway slave who has become so useful to Paul's son in the faith. 2 Timothy tells us Tychicus pastored there, another of the companions of Paul, with this letter. And also Tychicus with the letter to the church.
He was going long into the night, and there was a young man by the name of Tychicus who was in a window and just was getting tired. He fell asleep, fell out.
And what I am doing, Tychicus, the beloved brother and faithful minister. See, there's the exact same.
Of the Thessalonians, and Gaius of Derbe, and Timothy, and Tychicus, and Trophimus of Asia. These men